What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to disable Gemini on Android. Now there are different types of Android, whether it's Pixel, Samsung or other options. Regardless, you just need to go over to your settings, then you're going to scroll over to where you have Google and tap on it. Now if you're using a Pixel, you can tap on your name, which is at the top of your settings naturally. So you can tap on it and it's going to take you here. You have recommended and then services, which is located just below your name. Tap on all services. Right here, you need to scroll down to where you have settings for Google Apps. You're going to choose Search, Assistant, and Voice. So tap on it, and then you're going to tap on Gemini. Then once you tap on Gemini, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Digital Assistant from Google. And then you're going to scroll again to the bottom, and at the bottom, you can see you can turn off your Digital Assistant from Google at any time. So tap on it, and here it says turn off your digital assistant from Google. If you say turn off, that will turn it off for you. So this is how to disable Gemini on Android.